Hey guys, welcome back to Guitalele Tutorials. Today it will be a play along session of Roobaroo from Rang de Basanti. This song is somewhat two easy chords but a really difficult strumming pattern. So I haven't figured it out yet. So to be very honest, I was just uh, trying to play along, but I failed miserably. So I thought let's see how the play along goes on. So maybe this is the second or third time I'm playing this song. So I never tried to play this earlier. Okay, let's jump into it. Already missed. Again missed. I'm already sore on my hands. I never played this timing pattern, man. And see, and it's completely. I'm I'm sweating, right? Yeah, I am. I don't even know how it went. It's just a minute mostly, just a minute or more than a minute. I mean, it's pretty small. I never played it on ukulele. Never played it on. This is actually the second or third time I actually played this song. Tried to play. It really didn't go well. I really know. So the end results will be there. I haven't even seen the video. So when I'll be seeing the video, I'll be okay. I'll be noting my mistakes. So yeah, this is also one good thing. So practice, and whenever you are practicing, try to keep a record of yourself, right? So what's going on there? Okay, so at what point you missed, at what are the bits that you missed, what are the chord changes that you missed, and it's definitely there will be a lot of things that are not correct in this play along. And so yeah, so a lot of lessons for me to learn as well. So let's see how it happened, and um, I have to improve myself. So let me know in the comments how it went on, how you feel it went on. Okay, so I know there will be mistakes. Point out my mistakes, whatever those are, and I will improve on them. Okay, everyone has to go through this journey at some point of time, right? That's all.